Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish made with vinegared rice, typically seasoned with sugar and salt and combined with a variety of ingredients such as seafood, vegetables, or meat. Raw seafood is the most common, although some may be cooked. The history of sushi spans over 1,000 years and originates in Southeast Asia, evolving significantly into the sushi we know today. Here's an overview. Ancient beginnings 4th century BC. Nozushi. Sushi's earliest form, nozushi, originated in Southeast Asia and was introduced to Japan via China. It involved fermenting fish with salt and rice as a preservation method. The rice was discarded and only the fish was consumed. In period 794–1185. The technique of fermentation continued in Japan, but gradually people started eating both the fish and rice. This marked a shift in sushi's evolution. Edo period 1603–1868. Rise of modern sushi. During this period, sushi began to resemble its current form. Sushi. Fermentation was replaced by adding vinegar to rice, which sped up preparation and added flavor. Nigiri sushi. In the early 19th century, Hanya Yohei, a chef in Edo modern-day Tokyo, invented nigiri sushi. It consisted of fresh fish slices placed atop vinegared rice. This innovation was practical and suited the fast-paced urban lifestyle. Post-World War II, the refrigeration revolution made fresh fish widely available, enhancing sushi's popularity. Sushi transitioned from being street food to a delicacy served in restaurants. Global expansion 20th century. Sushi spread internationally, particularly to the United States in the 1960s and 70s, where new variations like the California roll were created to suit Western tastes. Sushi became a symbol of Japanese culture worldwide, adapting to local preferences while maintaining its traditional roots. Modern era. Today, sushi exists in a variety of forms, from traditional nigiri and maki to contemporary fusion creations. It is enjoyed globally, combining art, flavor, and cultural tradition.